Hi, are you in the market searching for a beautiful 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in a serene and secured location in Ajah Heights of Lagos that is affordable, guys? Search no further. For Kelechi of Kechmeb Properties, I got this for you. You can see it's a double volume living room area house that is sitting on about 350 square meter plus size. And guys, this house is beautiful. You enter the kitchen is fully furnished. I mean, anything you need to make a kitchen perfect is already there, guys. You know how I do our thing. I'll go outside, show you around the house, and come here and see what is in this house. I promise you, you will like this one. This is the house, a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex in Ajah Heights of Lagos, guys. This is beautiful. You can see the architectural design of the exterior of this beautiful house. This is house for sale in Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. A beautiful 5-bedroom fully detached duplex here in Ajah Heights of Lagos. You guys can see that the road is paved and the drainage system is here. Guys, I show you. You can see over there, and you have this flower part in front of the house here that gives more beauty to this house. You can see. Look at the design. This is lovely, guys. It's a first impressions matter. This is the impression you see. Okay, and this is the alarm here, guys. And when you place the alarm, the person inside will respond so quickly. You can see the height of the road and look at the height of the house. So it is a solidified house. You can see. Okay, and this is the house, right? From here you can see the house proper. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom detached duplex. Now this compound is massive. You can see, guys, how many cars do you think can park? You can park up to 4 or 5 cars here comfortably, guys, without spread. It comes with a 5 kVA inverter. You can see it here, guys. This is 5 kVA inverter already installed here. Look at the changeover area, guys. This is lovely. And we have some green area here. You can see it beautifully designed, guys. You can see you have it massively designed, and the architectural design is massive, guys. Okay, so let's go. So this is the fire alarm here as well. So now I'll go out, I'll go around, then we'll go in. Let's check out the pool area, then we'll go in. And this house has one of the best and the biggest um, um, BQ, which if you like, you can even rent it out because it is massive. Okay, it's massive. Is can see. Let me show you from here because it's not. It's very big. This is the voice water. It's very big, guys. Okay. Then this is the exit, the kitchen exit. Then this is the pool area, guys. I said you have some space here. You can design the pool area to your taste. There has a waterfall over there. I can see it's a standard swimming pool with, so you can see all these design lights and a shield as well. And the treatment for the pool has been constructed as well. This is the treatment for the pool. This is lovely, guys. And this is from this exit here, you can actually access the living room and the kitchen at the same time. This is lovely, guys. So let's go. So I can go in. I'm in a hurry to show you this house because I believe that this is what you are looking for. Those of you who like luxury and we call it affordable luxury, this is for you guys. Okay, so we are going in right now to show this house together, guys. So this is the entrance of this beautiful house. Check out the entrance, guys. As you're coming, you understand what I'm talking about. And it has a solidified door with this is smart lock. This is a smart lock. It has not been connected yet, but you can see it has a button, it has a lens here, then it has a fingerprint, then the key is here, guys. So it's a perfect lock for a perfect door, guys. So let's go in and see what is in this house together. So guys, you can see we are in. So this is the lens. It has not been connected. From here, you can see whoever that is on the door. Okay. So when you enter, you see this anti-room, guys. This is an anti-room here. Okay. With this beautiful architectural design, you can see the lights. Check out the finishing, guys. This is beautiful. And you have a fire alarm here. Okay. This house is beautifully designed with different artwork. Okay. But before I proceed, guys, by my right hand corner, we have the visitor's toilet and the visitor's room. So let's check out the visitor's toilet. So this is the visitor's toilet, guys. So this is your wash hand basin. Then this is a suspended WC. This house is beautifully designed, guys. And This is the visitors room, okay, with a fire alarm over there, with a POP design and the inbuilt lights. So this is window 1, 2 for cross ventilation. Then this is the wardrobe. This is your wardrobe, guys. Then this is the spot for your television here. Then let's proceed, guys. This is the bedroom. This is your suspended WC. This is your wash and basin. That is your water heater. Then the shower, guys. You can see the inbuilt lights, the POP design, and the speaker, guys. Okay, take a look. Then this living room has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows here for cross ventilation. And as I told you, it's an double volume living room that spans for the first floor. You can see, and it has this beautiful chandelier light here. This is lovely, guys. Check out the inbuilt light and a POP design. I will show you when I get to the up. Okay, so look at this design here. Lovely, right? And it has this artwork here. And this is your sound system. This is your sound system. You can use it to control the sound and all that. And this is smoke detector here. Okay. So guys, and this is your dining area here. Okay. And it comes with a wine bar. This is your wine bar already installed for you. Okay. And this is a fire alarm. And this is what is controlling it. Okay. So from here you can exit to the pool area. Then this is the beautiful kitchen. I told you that this kitchen is fully fitted kitchen. All the accessories are already connected. Okay, all you need is just to come and just begin to enjoy yourself. So it has this beautiful chandelier light on this kitchen island here. Okay, then also, this is your deep freezer. This is the kitchen store, the microwave and oven, and this is your tree, a plate tree. Okay, already installed. Then this is your washing machine, the kitchen exit. So water heater has been connected already. This is a modern sink, you can see, beautifully designed. Okay. So this is your oven and the heat extractor, guys. This is lovely. So this is lovely, guys, you can see. So this house is a beautiful house and is affordable. That's the beauty of it. Okay. Check out the cabinet. This is the CCTV camera for the kitchen. So the kitchen has this inbuilt light. Okay. The speaker and the POP design. And this is your USB. Has been connected already, guys. This is lovely. So let me know what your thought is concerning this kitchen already, guys. This is lovely. And you can see that we still have a speaker here. Then the smoke detector. Okay. So we are going upstairs right now. And even though we are still working on the staircase, we can see it's a sensor staircase. See the sensor, you can see the lights are showing. So don't forget that this is Kelechi of Kechmeb Properties Limited, a real estate consulting firm that is based in Lagos, that is making sure that you have real estate investment that are free from every form of government encumbrance and peace of mind. So guys, so you're going, this is your family lounge. Like I told you, from this family lounge, you can actually see whoever that is at your living room area. This is that general light I will show you. And see, this is beautiful. They have this POP design and inbuilt lights. Okay, then by this family lounge is also this chandelier light, the POP design, the speaker, the fire alarm here. Then this is the CCTV camera for the family lounge. Okay, you can see the light, and it has this beautiful TV console here, and it has 2 windows for cross ventilation here, guys. Okay, so this is the chandelier light here. Okay, chandelier light. So let's explore the rooms. So let's see. This is the second room in the building. Let me give you the overview. So each room has this fire alarm, and see the inbuilt light and the POP design. And it has a double window, guys. Here, this is the wardrobe. This is the spot for your television here for this particular room. Then this is the bedroom. So this is your wash hand basin. This is your suspended WC. Then this is your water heater and the shower, guys. Beautiful, right? So let me know what your thought is, guys, as you're watching with me. So this is the second room up here and the third one in the building. So this is the overview. So we have this beautiful POP design, the fire alarm and the inbuilt light. It has a double window, 1, 2 for cross ventilation. This is the spot for your television here. Okay. So this is the wardrobe. And this is your bedroom. Shower, your water heat. This is your wash hand basin. Suspended WC. Water heater. And your shower, guys. Shower. So this is the fourth room. The room has 2 windows as well. The inbuilt light and the POP design. And see. The spot for your television here. And this is the wardrobe. And see the fire alarm. Then guys, this is the bedroom for this particular room. This is your wash hand basin. Suspended WC. You can see your water heater over there. Then the shower, guys. This house is lovely. So come, let's proceed. So this house comes with an extra room which can be your gym room here, or you can change it to your cinema. So look at it, you can see it's massive because smoke detector and this POP design and the inbuilt light. So it's up to you. You can decide to make here your gym space. Some people will just turn here to their cinema and convert here to their gym space, you know. Some people can do that. So it's up to you. You can see it's quite special. It has a double window here, okay, for you. So if you decide, you can use it as your gym space or your cinema, guys. Then the last but not the least is the master. The master of the master. It's called the master bedroom. This is the overview. Okay. The overview. So it has this beautiful chandelier light here. The speaker and the inbuilt light. Okay, look at the lights. This is lovely. And this is your spot for your television. Already has a TV console constructed already on it. Then this is your balcony. So this is the balcony. See the environment. Lovely. Has a flower pot here and another one here. Okay. Then this is the walk-in closet. It's a walk-in closet, guys. So this is where madam can sit and decorate herself. She can put a mirror inside that place. Okay. Look at the cabinet. Beautiful, right? Okay. Now let's proceed to So this is the bedroom for the master bedroom. This mirror is beautifully designed because from here, from this, you can see that is the speaker. If I connect my song now, I can play song directly from this mirror here, guys. This is lovely. And this is your wash basin, the bathtub. This is your water heater over there, the shower area, and this is the suspended WC, guys. So we've come to the end of this store, guys. And don't forget that this is house for sale in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. A 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex in Ajah. So this house has a swimming pool and it has a gym space or cinema space, as the case may be. And the kitchens are fully fitted. So and the house is going for 260 million naira. 260 million. So give Kelechi a call on the number that is in the screen so that I can bring you here for site inspection and closing of it. If you're new to my channel, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification button so that whenever we make subsequent video, you'll be the first to receive it. And abundant subscribers, we say kudos to you. So keep watching and keep sharing till we come your way again.